Clogged or dirty dryer vents don't just reduce your dryer's performance, they create a serious fire hazard. In fact, clogged clothes dryer vents cause thousands of fires per year in the United States. This guide will walk you through the complete process of cleaning your dryer vent, a critical home maintenance task that should be performed at least once a year to keep your home safe and ensure your laundry day runs efficiently. The combination of heat and accumulated dryer lint creates a perfect environment for fires to start. According to safety statistics, clogged dryer vents are responsible for thousands of house fires annually in the United States, resulting in millions of dollars in property damage. Beyond the safety concerns, a clogged dryer vent forces your appliance to work harder and longer to dry clothes, which increases your energy bills unnecessarily, shortens the lifespan of your dryer, and can damage your clothing due to excessive heat. Regular maintenance is a simple preventative measure that pays dividends in both safety and efficiency. You might notice a few signs indicating it's time to clean your dryer vent. Extended drying times could be a clear sign your dryer is struggling to push hot air through, requiring multiple cycles to fully dry clothes. Excessive heat can make the room feel warmer than normal during drying cycles, and the outside of the dryer may feel unusually hot during operation. A burning smell is a serious indicator that lint buildup is getting too hot. Visible lint buildup around the dryer or lint trap is a clear sign that cleaning is needed. Addressing these signs promptly can prevent a fire hazard from developing. Having the right tools on hand before you start will make the cleaning process much smoother. Essential tools include a screwdriver for disconnecting the vent clamp, a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment or shop vac, a dryer vent brush kit with flexible extensions, safety gloves, and UL-listed metal foil duct tape. Optional tools like a leaf blower, spray bottle with warm, soapy water, scrub brush for lint screen, replacement ductwork, and flashlight can be useful if needed. Most of these items are common household tools, but specialized dryer vent brushes can be purchased at home improvement stores like the Home Depot. Safety first. Before you begin cleaning your dryer vent, you need to properly disconnect your dryer. This step ensures that you can access the vent without any electrical hazards. Carefully unplug the dryer from the power outlet and move it away from the wall to give yourself enough space to work. Once your dryer is safely disconnected, it's time to begin removing the accumulated lint. Using a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment, carefully vacuum any visible lint from the vent and the back of the dryer. This step helps clear out the bulk of the debris, making the next steps more effective. Vacuuming alone often isn't enough to remove all the lint buildup, especially in longer vent runs. A specialized dryer vent brush can reach deeper into the ductwork, dislodging stubborn lint and ensuring a more thorough clean. Insert the brush into the vent and gently scrub to remove any remaining debris. After thoroughly cleaning the vent, it's time to put everything back together. Reconnect the duct to the dryer, ensuring it's snug and secure with a safety clamp. Double check all connections to prevent any air leaks, and push the dryer back into place. Regular maintenance can reduce how often you need to perform a deep cleaning of your dryer vent. Clean the lint trap after every use, repair any vent piping that shows signs of wear, and deep clean the screen with soap and water periodically. These simple steps can significantly reduce lint buildup and improve dryer efficiency. Safety should always be your top priority when performing dryer vent maintenance. Before cleaning, wear appropriate protective gear such as gloves and a mask. Unplug the dryer from the power outlet, turn off the gas supply valve for gas dryers, open windows and doors for proper ventilation, and inspect the vent hose for damage before starting. During and after cleaning, avoid using sharp objects that could damage the vent. Reassemble the dryer properly after cleaning. Ensure all connections are secure before turning it back on. Test the dryer on a no heat setting to prevent buildup, and schedule regular maintenance to prevent future issues. While cleaning from the outside can help maintain airflow, it's important to note that this approach alone is usually not sufficient for a thorough cleaning. The most effective method combines both interior and exterior cleaning approaches. Locate the exterior dryer vent outlet on the outside of your house, typically a hood or flap on an exterior wall. Remove any debris or lint buildup from the exterior vent opening using a vent brush or vacuum cleaner with a narrow attachment. Inspect the vent flap for any damage or obstruction, and clean it if necessary to ensure proper airflow. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the exterior vent cover to remove dirt, dust, and grime, and reattach the vent cover securely after cleaning. While dryer vent cleaning is a DIY-friendly task for many homeowners, there are situations where professional help is recommended. If your vent system is exceptionally long or has multiple vents, is located in a hard-to-reach area, or you've noticed severe performance issues, it's best to call in the experts. Professional dryer vent cleaning services typically cost between $100 to $200, which is a small price to pay for the safety and efficiency benefits. Professionals have specialized equipment that can clean even the most challenging vent configurations. Beyond these measurable benefits, regular dryer vent cleaning also provides peace of mind, knowing that you've taken an important step to protect your home and family from a preventable fire hazard. Clean vents can reduce energy usage by up to 25%, lowering your utility bills. Regular maintenance can extend your dryer's lifespan by up to 30%, saving on costly replacements. Approximately 2,900 dryer fires are reported annually, many preventable with proper maintenance. Just 1 hour of maintenance per year can prevent costly repairs and dangerous situations. Avoiding these common mistakes will help ensure your dryer operates safely and efficiently for years to come. Using plastic or foil vent hoses can pose a fire risk. Always use metal ducts. Regular duct tape can dry out and fail when exposed to heat. Use UL-listed metal foil tape instead. Failing to clean the lint trap after each load significantly increases lint buildup in the vent system. Don't wait until your dryer stops working efficiently or you smell burning. Address the warning signs immediately. Vents should be as short and straight as possible. Each bend reduces efficiency and increases lint buildup. Understanding how your dryer vent system works helps you maintain it properly and recognize when something isn't functioning as it should. The lint trap is the first line of defense, capturing large lint particles. The transition duct connects the dryer to the wall duct, while the main duct is the primary channel that carries air to the outside. The exterior vent is the outlet where air exits your home, and the vent cover protects the exterior opening from weather and pests. Optimal vent configuration includes keeping the total vent length to less than 25 feet, subtracting 2.5 feet for each 45-degree turn, using rigid metal ducts whenever possible, minimizing bends and turns in the ductwork, and ensuring the exterior vent has a functioning flap. Following this seasonal maintenance schedule ensures your dryer vent system remains clean and efficient year-round. Households that do more laundry than average may need to clean their vents more frequently. In spring, perform a complete dryer vent cleaning and check exterior vent for bird nests or debris after winter. In summer, inspect exterior vent cover for proper operation and check for lint accumulation in transition duct. In fall, vacuum around the dryer and lint trap area, and ensure all connections are secure. In winter, monitor drying times for efficiency, check exterior vent for ice buildup during freezing weather, and deep clean the lint screen with soap and water. Many of these maintenance tasks use similar tools and follow similar safety protocols as dryer vent cleaning. Grouping these tasks together can save time and ensure nothing gets overlooked in your home maintenance routine. While you're focused on dryer vent maintenance, consider these related home maintenance tasks that can improve safety and efficiency. HVAC filter replacement to improve air quality and HVAC efficiency, air conditioner cleaning to maintain cooling efficiency, chimney inspection to prevent chimney fires, and gutter cleaning to prevent water damage to your home's foundation and walls. These upgrades may require professional installation but can significantly improve safety and reduce the frequency of required maintenance. If your dryer vent system is older or not optimally configured, consider these upgrades for improved safety and efficiency. Replace flexible plastic or foil ducts with smooth, rigid metal ducts that resist crushing and accumulate less lint. Reconfigure your laundry space to minimize the distance between your dryer and the exterior wall. Install a lint alarm system that alerts you to excessive lint buildup. Add an inline secondary lint trap for additional lint capture. Replace traditional flap covers with magnetic vent covers that create a better seal when not in use, and capture and reuse the heat from your dryer for improved energy efficiency. Understanding these common questions can help you maintain your dryer vent system more effectively and know when to seek professional assistance. For most households, annual cleaning is sufficient. However, if you do multiple loads of laundry daily, have a long or complex vent system, or notice any warning signs, clean every 6 months. While some homeowners use this method, it's not recommended as it can damage the vent or push lint deeper into the vent. A proper dryer vent brush and vacuum system are more effective. If your vent has multiple bends or runs through difficult to access areas, professional cleaning is worth the cost. Professionals have specialized equipment that can thoroughly clean even the most challenging vent configurations. The lint trap is a screen inside your dryer that catches larger lint particles and should be cleaned after every load. The dryer vent is the ductwork that carries the air and expelled lint particles from your dryer to the outside of your home. Remember that prevention is always easier and less expensive than dealing with the consequences of a fire or major appliance failure. Make dryer vent cleaning a regular part of your home maintenance routine. Your safety, your wallet, and your peace of mind will thank you. Get all the dryer parts you need to clean your dryer vent today. The Home Depot delivers online orders when and where you need them.